today's menu, an amazingly delicious recipe you definitely won't keep calm and curry on. Fragrant basil curry rice. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YeungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. I always have some leftover rice on hand because you can do some amazing things. This recipe you'll definitely want to make every single week. Pat dry about 200 grams of extra firm tofu and place in a bowl. Use a fork to mash the tofu into a crumble. Three pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. That's pretty much it for the prep. Really simple. Now this is a delicious, really smoky, not too spicy, homemade chili oil. It's just so aromatic. I made this in the previous episode and I always have this on hand because it's just incredible. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out and make this really easily at home as well. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 3 tablespoons chili oil. Garlic and ginger, tofu, saute for 5 to 8 minutes. One tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Saute for another couple of minutes. One and a half cups leftover basmati rice. 1 tablespoon curry powder. Half tablespoon soy sauce. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. $10 grams fresh Thai basil. Turn the heat off and fold in the basil. It's really important to turn off the heat to fold in that basil because we don't want to overcook it and have it lose its kind of really beautiful, fragrant, aromatic flavor. Plate. This is a curry powder spice blend that I always have on hand that I absolutely love. I ordered this from a Canadian company based out of British Columbia called OM Foods. And I also order a whole bunch of other dry goods from them. Absolutely love the company. Everything is certified organic. This is not sponsored, but maybe one day. This particular curry powder has turmeric, coriander, cumin, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper, fenugreek, cayenne, mustard, and cardamom. Like I said, it's beautifully golden and absolutely love having this on hand. It's super, super convenient. In case you're curious about this company, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out as well. You can now make this incredibly hearty dish with absolute confidence. Just look at how amazing that looks. Incredible. The flavor in there is just out of this world. Insane. I mean, firstly, the dish just looks visually stunning. I mean, look at how golden, beautiful that looks. That curry powder really transforms this entire dish. Amazing golden color. The curry powder just adds so much flavor. It's aromatic, it's a bit of a spicy kind of kick. That tofu just adds an incredible, delicious kind of meaty texture to this entire dish. The dark soy sauce gives it that incredibly beautiful caramel color, and that chili oil further flavors that tofu into kind of like the smoky, salty tofu crumble. Really, really insanely delicious. The real hero in this dish, besides that phenomenal tofu crumble, really is the Thai basil. I mean, be really generous with it, and you really don't even have to cook it, because just tossing that warm rice with the Thai basil will just gently kind of wilt it, but not destroy the flavor. And just taking a bite with the tofu, the saltiness, the meatiness, the rice and the curry with that Thai basil, you get this kind of explosion of complex flavor, and that Thai basil is just incredibly aromatic. A dish like this also is so versatile because you don't have to use Thai basil if you don't have access to it. And of course, you don't have to use basmati rice. This is just what I have on hand right now. You can use any rice you'd like. This will still be absolutely delicious. So simple to put together, just a few humble ingredients, and you have this restaurant style, restaurant quality, absolutely amazing dish. Simple to make and absolutely delicious. These kind of dishes just makes me so excited about cooking. Absolutely amazing. If you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then you'll definitely want to check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook, and of course the brand new Cook with Confidence cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out, take a sneak peek at inside the book, or get your signed copy. Of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.